My name is Tara Jacobs, and I'm here today to bring attention to a pattern of serious misconduct in the Texas family court system, law enforcement, state actors, state agencies, and the Office of Attorney General. In 2018, I was living at a shelter named HAWC. It's a women and children's shelter with my two children, my daughter and my son. I was on TANF, SNAP, and Medicaid while looking for full-time work and receiving transitional housing. This automatically triggered a child support case against my daughter's father, David Mullenix. I wanted to help him out, so I closed the child support case by emailing Laveda Harris, the Attorney General, to close the case. After this case was closed in May of 2018, I found out later that David and the Attorney General pursued a child support case in Dallas County, even though I lived in Houston with my daughter and my son. So I wasn't served or told about the hearing that occurred in August. Months later, I was sent a letter placing me on child support and stated that I had to come to court. So I showed up to that hearing in October, not knowing it was for a temporary orders hearing. In that hearing in October of 2018, David made hearsay claims saying that I abandoned our daughter and that I was unsafe and that I wasn't caring for her adequately, which was not true. In 2019, a joint managing conservatorship order was entered, but since then, my custody rights have been repeatedly violated through forged documents from the other party, false claims, and a complete inaction by the courts and police. David moved our daughter out of state without court approval and used fake custody papers, advising to police misrepresentation, saying that he had sole custody and I had no rights. This was confirmed on body cam footage. In 2021, a CPS case involving abuse allegations was filed and hidden from me. I later found out about this years later. Seeing misconduct on this, I reported it to the OCR and the OCA, who found misconduct on the case as well. Then found misconduct on additional cases that I filed for my daughter in regards to bruises. Those cases were closed without a proper investigation. I later found out that David used to work for CPS. He also stated that he had friends and family within the CPS system to pull strings for him. This isn't just a personal issue, it reflects a systematic failure since 2018. I've documented the financial support, repeated violations of Texas Penal Code 2503, the lack of enforcement by judicial court actors alongside police enforcement, tampering with court records, removal of court records, biased actions by the amicus attorney and court-appointed officials, my daughter being mistreated and removed from states, and my child's father being able to do whatever he wants, not being held accountable. I've submitted over 300 pages of sworn evidence, witnesses, authenticated records to federal and state oversight bodies, including the DOJ, OIG, and multiple attorneys. The mothers are experiencing similar abuse and tactics and repeated systematic actions of the system.